So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the very top, we have a new vent pipe going up into the attic. That was original to the home. I mean, they're fine. You can leave them in, but we just replaced it. So new vent pipe, new adjustable 90 down to draft diverter. Over on the right side, we give you new Watts. It's not a Watts. It's out of Ferguson. It's an FNW valve. Quarter turn on, quarter turn off ball valve, and then a brass nipple. Falcon stainless steel connector. It's a full 3/4 inch inside diameter. And then of course on this side, no valve required. Gave you a new galvanized nipple coming out of the wall there, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector to some brass extensions on the hot and the cold side. We put those on just because you got the heat traps inserted in these nipples on the hot and the cold side, and we're just not real comfortable with the fit. You know, you gotta snug them up and then maybe over tighten them just to get them to seal. So what we like to do is put pure brass on there. It's got a nice thick top. We file it flat and we get a good seat on the gasket. So relief valve comes with the water heater, temperature and pressure relief. Pop this off once a year if you would like, just to make sure that spring is closing and there's no calcium deposits in here. It's 150 psi, so just pop it off, let's run around, and then let it slam close. So you'll be doing something like this, and you'll see this whole line will vibrate because that's showing the spring is hitting. And then just check the drain. The drain's right outside the garage right here. Just make sure that after the water's all drained out, you don't have any dripping there. Anyways, Falcon stainless steel connector down to existing relief line in the wall. I'm assuming it goes down underneath the platform and then goes out the wall. Upper third, we've got adjustable strap. Lower third, adjustable strap. Over here, a brand new gas valve, and then a brand new gas connector. Right now we got it set to 120, hot 120. So you've got hot 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160, B140, third degree burns 3 seconds, infants and the elderly. Even we have some customers that we serve that you know, their spouse has dementia or Alzheimer's, and they forget. They put their hand in the water and they forget that it's actually hot. So be mindful of that. You can read right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. Yeah, the EPA recommends 120. CDC recommends 140, even though it will scald you. And that's if you're storing the water for a long period of time and not actually running it. It'll form bacteria in there at 120. But we leave it right there just for liability purpose, so you're all good there. Burner's lit. It'll go off about an hour and a half. You'll have hot water. Right here is your serial number, model number, serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com, hit the register button, and give them the serial number and your contact information to get your warranty going. Outside of that, this installation is done.